Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're diving into Passwork, a password manager found at https://passwork.me. Managing your passwords effectively is crucial in today's digital landscape, and a dedicated password manager is an essential tool for anyone serious about online security. Passwork offers a solution for individuals and businesses alike, aiming to simplify and secure your password management process. In this video, we'll explore the features and functionality of Passwork, discussing its strengths and weaknesses to help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. From its user interface and security measures to its pricing plans and collaborative features, we'll cover the key aspects that make Passwork tick. Whether you're struggling to keep track of numerous passwords or looking for a robust solution for your team, this overview should provide valuable insights. Passwork promotes itself as a secure and versatile platform, so let's take a closer look and see if it lives up to the hype. We'll delve into how easy it is to set up, navigate, and utilize on a daily basis, exploring aspects like password generation, autofill capabilities, and multi-platform accessibility. Security is paramount when it comes to password managers, so we'll examine Passwork's encryption methods and security protocols to assess how well it protects your sensitive data. We'll also discuss the different pricing tiers available and whether the features offered justify the cost. Collaboration is a key aspect of many password management tools, particularly for businesses, so we'll investigate how Passwork handles shared access and team management. Ultimately, we'll weigh the pros and cons of using Passwork and offer a final verdict on its overall effectiveness as a password management solution. Stay tuned for a comprehensive look at Passwork and how it can help you streamline your digital security. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and special offers.